If you've ever wanted to customize the share button text on your WordPress site but weren't sure where to find the option, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end, you'll know exactly how to update the label, save it, and make it instantly visible across your entire site. Let's get started. First, head over to your WordPress homepage. At the top right corner, you'll see the login area. Click it, and instead of typing in your username and password manually, choose Continue with Google. Select your Google account, complete the sign in, and you'll be taken directly to your WordPress dashboard. Once you're inside the dashboard, look toward the left side menu and open the Tools section. Under Tools, click on Sharing Buttons. This is where all your social share settings live, including the label text your visitors see. Now comes the fun part. In the Sharing Buttons page, look for the option that says Edit Label Text. This is the field that controls the wording displayed on your share buttons. Simply delete the default label and type in your own custom text. Something clearer, more branded, or more attention-grabbing. Double check the spelling and phrasing so it looks exactly how you want it to appear. After updating the text, scroll down and hit Save Changes. This instantly applies your new label across your entire site. Once saved, go back to any page or post with share buttons, refresh it, and you'll see your updated label in action. It's a small tweak, but it can make a big difference in your site's branding and how users engage with your content. And that's it. Simple, fast, and fully updated. If this guide helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more WordPress walkthroughs, and drop your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.